Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a mini flamethrower from a disposable lighter. Now normally when you buy a disposable lighter, it has a very small flame, and some are adjustable, some are not. To do this project, what you want is a disposable lighter with an adjustment at the front for the flame. Once you take off the front portion of the lighter at the top, a small lever will be exposed, and what you want to do is you want to lift that up, turn it away. After you lift it up, turn it away from you and back down. Rotate up, turn it away from you, back down. Rotate, turn up, away, back down, and turn toward you. Okay? Now, once you do that, it will adjust the flame accordingly. Into a mini flamethrower. Do be careful, because they can catch fire, and you can burn yourself by using these, but it's kind of a fun project, and one that is very simple to do just for fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.